Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-WS1081V3 TESA Professional Weather Station. This professional style weather station features a solar powered multi-outdoor sensor that measures wind direction, wind speed, rainfall, humidity and temperature. The measured weather parameters are then sent wirelessly to the large touchscreen indoor console where you can view current measurements, forecasts, recorded minimum and maximum measurements and set alarms. What's more, the LCD can be plugged into a computer and used with the free Easy Weather software where you can further adjust settings, view weather readings and graphs. In the box, there is a step-by-step instruction manual. This covers setup, installation, indoor console setup and PC setup. A hardware mounting kit, including 2 U-bolts, 4 screws, backing plate, a spanner and a small screw for securing the wind vane, a USB cable to connect your console to a computer, wind cups, wind vane, the outdoor multi-sensor with a shaft to mount the wind cups, antenna, a solar panel, bubble level, rain gauge with a round funnel. This unclicks to reveal the tipping bucket rain measurement mechanism and drainage holes. On the base is a temperature and humidity sensor under a passive radiation shield, an area for mounting the unit, the battery compartment, a reset button, an LED indicator, and last of all, the wind vane mount. This is the large indoor console. On the back, there are 2 legs to stand the device up, 2 keyhole hooks for if you would like to mount this unit onto a wall, the battery compartment, and on the side is a USB input for PC connection. And that's what comes in the box with the IC-WS1081V3 TESA Professional Weather Station. For more information on this station, including a setup video, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.